Okay guys, so now we just finished. We are doing the last finishes. Toilet paper holder. Everybody needs one. Homeowner marks the location with a piece of tape. Let's keep the job clean. So that's a nice toilet paper holder because you can put your phone on it.
Hello.
A platform on it. For a small thing like this, we can just use a small level. We don't have to set a laser or anything. So our toilet paper holder is here. Location on the wall is here. I'm going to trace a line, a level line, so I know exactly where to attach my toilet paper holder. Use the tape so you don't cut the wall. Make sure you're perfectly level. Trace a line. Okay, so we know that this is level. Now let's measure the distance between the two holes. I always start at 1, and it's about 5 inches because you have to subtract when I start at 1. So 5 inches. Okay? I'm going to start at 1, right here, and I'm going to end at 6, that's 5 inches. We're going to use those anchors. They are drywall anchors, they are metal, they don't snap, they are sturdy. You never have any problem with those. Here I have 2 drills. Phillips head, impact, and I have another impact with a pre-drill to it. Pre-drill the holes. Drive the anchors. Take your time. I didn't squeeze all the way. Now I'm going to put my level on top. I want to make sure that I'm perfectly level. Right now. Now I can go. And that's it. Level, sturdy, done.